rough waves, an endless rainstorm. The ocean may not be as kind to us as we expect. We must be able to withstand utterly the power of the wild ocean. The heart of the ship will be the center of its power, an engine for the ship. HMT Ship Engine makes the heart of the ship. Our technology for manufacturing the engines has begun in 1982 as Hyundai Engine. Built on Hyundai Engine, it makes the perfect transformation to a marine engine. We keep the temperature of the engine down in order to match the rough and wild environment of the ocean. And we also deal with our own technology to make sure that the painting work is resistant to salinity. From the engines for small ships to the engines for large ships, we customize around 25 engines to be the main engine and the genset. For the main engine, for the genset, maintenance services, which is the most important element of the engine for the ships, also have to operate thoroughly under the HMT's management system. As we make a simple and compact exterior in order to fit a wide range of vessels, maintenance and management are very easy. Easy maintenance is the most important factor in reducing the time for repair, and it has been significantly reducing the cost of administration. We are manufacturing not only engines for the ship, but generator engines and industry-related engines. Our technology is 40 years of know-how of HMT Ship Engine, expanding globally beyond South Korea. The heart of the ship center, we are going to be the company that harnesses the engine to your success. Our heart is beating fast. HMT Marine Engine Corporation.